Hi, I'm Lauren with Millennium Sounds, and today we're hanging out in one of our recently completed projects, the Hoover Garage, located in Westfield, Indiana. When owner DeWitt Hoover approached Millennium Sounds wanting to work together on installing some simulators and audio-visual controls in his new garage, we went to work on creating some custom solutions to deliver an always on-target experience. Let's talk with DeWitt about working with Millennium Sounds.
So we heard about Millennium Sounds when we were looking at our unit in the Motor District. Their office is out front, and it was recommended that we talk to them about doing simulators and lighting control. Millennium Sounds came in and they installed a big screen TV with the Sonos system, the Control4 operating system, which is the lights and the dimmers. And we did a security system for the front door. We did a Unicore golf simulator and a TK racing simulator. And then with all of those products, they also help coordinate all of the sign-ins and the usage of apps for that. So now we can control the volume of the Sonos system while we're downstairs, or if my kids want to come over, I can make sure it's locked when they leave, and just little things like that that make it very user-friendly and easy to use. Probably the best part of this space is the combination of everything. My favorite is the golf simulator. My son loves the racing simulator. It's a lot of fun. My daughter likes the racing simulator. My mother-in-law is almost 80 and she likes it. So it's just everybody has fun. We can listen to music, we can watch TV, we can do it all. And so many people can be entertained in the same space, and it feels like everybody has their own experience here. I think the best part of working with Millennium Sounds was their service and support. We've had instances where something doesn't turn on right the first time, and just a quick text and they get me squared away, or they'll pop over and take a look at something. So their service and support throughout the project and even after the project has been amazing. So working with Millennium Sounds was really easy. They were clear in their communication. Everybody is an expert in their field. They know exactly what they're doing. They've set these products up in multiple locations before. They understand how it works. They understand how to work with your electrician. They worked well with our contractor, and they also provided lots of assistance with overcoming challenges in our unit with the fire suppression system and some other things that we didn't know were going to be issues until we started the build out. I would highly recommend the team at Millennium Sounds for any project that they're going to do. They make sure it's right, and they make sure it's correct, and they make sure that you're happy and that you understand how to use whatever they're installing.
If you're ready to collaborate with a fantastic team like Millennium Sounds, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to work with you.